My book is The Civil War at Sea. It is written by George Sirlin, nonfiction, and has 74 pages. There are 9 chapters. Chapter 1 is about Folos, but Chapter 2 is building the navies. Chapter 3 is blocking the South from the rest of the world. Chapter 4 is attacking the South Coast. Chapter 5 is Battle of the Ironclads, which is a very powerful ship. Chapter 6 is a river war, which is the war by itself. Chapter 7 is the Confederators, which is the south side. Chapter 8 is Sailors in Blue and Gray, which is talking about the different colonies. And then Chapter 9 is Mobile Bay and Beyond, which is the last cities left on the south. The north side eventually won, and the south was in a war it could not win. Have a nice day.